to air out.
For the vlog? For the vlog? For the vlog? Oh wait, hold on. It's popping. That's sick.
Dang.
Damn.
Stay what? Stay what? Stay. What are you doing?
Joseph.
I'll hit you with a...
What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
I'm Gucci, bro.
Oh,
As
damn.
usual.
You may come through. You may enter your own room. You may enter your own kitchen.
We got you a blank.
Oh,
Because
damn.
I need to know if you want stars.
Which one do you
or if you want words.
I want the stars.
I knew it.
Oh, man.
Oh, I look crusty right now.
Me with the
I try to get here as fast as I can.
Let me see, Joe.
Dripping.
Show me that you're straight pimping, Joe.
Huh?
God. Look at that. Straight.
Dripping.
Oh.
Pimping.
Straight pimping, bro. Dang.
Damn, Daniel.
Pull the Javen, baby.
You know what it
Holy
be?
shit.
FD from the streets. Everybody camping with the straight heat. Oh, you know what it be.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at Serge trying to.
Bars.
Fully driven right here.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Look at this. Cold start. Jay with the cold start. I have to do a cold start. It's, what time is it? It is 1 a.m. basically. We're about to do a 7-Eleven photo shoot run. It's 36 degrees outside.
Oh, it's so cold.
It's cold.
I will put a jacket.
And every car has cold started in this neighborhood.
It's just a symphony of cars in my street right now. So do you want to do gas station or do you want to do the one by the restaurant?
I like gas station.
Gas station.
Yeah. All right, let's do it. This is actually kind of crazy. In terms of like crazy mobbing stuff, this is definitely the most mobbing related stuff I think I've ever done. I don't know how else to explain it. It's actually pretty cool. It's cool to have all the cars and have everybody be here to have friends like this, and it's just so cool. So let's get over to 7-Eleven and let's see what happens. All right, so I guess we're here. Got the Miatas over there. I think Serge is down there too. And then myself, Jay, and I think Joe. That's copyright.
I'm sorry.
Let's get set up and then do cinematic stuff. I got gloves and a hat. That's all I got. I didn't bring a heavy jacket or anything. I'm dumb. All right, here we go.
what's popping?
We did that already.
I know. Oh, it's cold.
Facts.
Oh,
That front bumper is gonna be tough.
To wrap the entire car.
Yeah, for sure.
which car?
The WRX.
Nah, that's kindergarten stuff.
Boo, super boo.
Is that a super woo? Yeah, super woo.
Wow.
It's a stupid bit to me.
It's late.
It is late. That was pretty fun though, huh?
Yeah,
I would do that again.
Yes, this was. I like night
IS?
shoots.
IS is
Oh my
coming?
god, yes.
Which actually, I was telling them, the reason why the TC is out is because that's like an honor. Like, because of that car, we met all these people.
Oh, facts.
I was like, the IS has its own time, but the TC is
It's in
TC
build
is
mode right now.
yeah.
TC is still shining.
TC is the mother hen. Without that, I mean, you know.
Yeah. And then, you know, like honestly too, to add on the RSX with the channel, like both the cars now have literally, we literally manifested this somehow.
Family. Oh, no.
Corona.
Have any brew you want, as long as it's a Corona.
Only if it's a Corona.
Lávate los manos.
That was sick though.
You guys want to know a joke?
God.
What do you call a cow that can't produce milk?
What?
An utter failure.
Oh my God, you're so stupid.
Wait.
See, Brian's still confused. Look,
It's
you're
utter
still lost.
failure.
I'm gonna go.
Alright. This was gonna knock your socks off. Alright.
Just wilding out.
Why was the pig jet lag?
Why?
Because swine flu.
I didn't get that one.
The swine flu, like flu.
Oh, jet lag. Oh,
Did it? Yeah. Funny. I like dad jokes so much.
dad jokes or bad jokes?
Exactly.
Joke right now, but I can't.
Hey, it's okay. Let it sink in. When you're driving home, and you'll be like, "Ah, that's what I do."
Now we're done. Yeah?
Yeah.
Wait, even if I do that, nothing happens. It's on the gimbal, so it's just like. My back hurts right now. Yeah?
Oh yeah. Basically. Yeah. Yeah.
Wait. That's the point. We have to guide them in the right direction. Oh my god, I just did like a f***ing backflip. I hit something and I don't even know what just happened. Is that a Miata? That's not Brian, is it? It is Brian. Oh shoot. Oh Juan, I'm on you. I'm right on you. Yo, this looks so sick. Oh my god. No! Oh shit. I saw that too. Oh shit.
Suspect is traveling too fast for me to keep
Literally the only reason why I bought this car was to just go Millennium Shade. Dang, you got pink NOS? Smack
Yeah.
that ass.
It's
Oh,
pink?
shit.
I thought it was red. I thought it was red.
Maybe it is red. I don't know. It looks pink to me. Big Wang.
Big Wang gang.
Oh, that's the horn. That means it's time to smack that ass. Intersection. Oh, I hit a dude. I hit a dude. Oh, God. Streamliner is like our home course. Oh shit! Where did you go?
I was trying to drift. I didn't know you guys were right there.
Hey! You gotta air up. We're about to leave the meet.
I was straight.
Oh my god.